Hi everyone and happy Friday. Welcome to Maths with Miss Bradbury and the last home learning maths experience, hopefully. Let's keep our fingers crossed. So we are going to be looking at subtraction again, and that is all to do with taking away and minus. It all means the same thing: subtraction, take away, minus. It basically means taking away, taking things away, making something smaller, or making the amount of objects smaller so that there is less. And today we're going to have we're moving into sort of word problems. So we're going to start to think about these word problems in our head and working it out in our head. There will be a number line as well, and I would like you to have a go at writing your own number sentences. So if you want to pause the video and get yourself a pen, a block of pencil and a piece of paper, and you can have a go at writing your own number sentences, because I'll be talking about the scenario, or what's happening, and then you can then interpret that. You can listen and then work out what the number sentence would be, and then you can work out what the answer would be. So let's go. Okay, so count how many bears are on the tray, and then use the number line to take away the right amount and find out how many are left. Let's play. There are 6 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. If 3 bears leave the game, how many will there be? So there are 6 bears in the game. Look and you will see. If 3 bears leave the game, how many will there be? Okay, so there are 6 bears in the game. Look and you will see. If 3 bears leave the game, how many will there be? So have a little look at the number sentence. There are 6 bears. I'll give you a clue. There are 6 bears on the tray. And then 3 bears leave. How many will be left? You can use the number line to help you and think about the number sentence. So what number would you put in here? There are 6 bears on the tray, and then 3 of them leave, and then how many would be left? You can use the jumps as well. I like to do jumps. Let's find out what the answer is. There we go. So there were 6 bears on the tray, and then 3 bears left, leaving 3. So there were 6 bears, and then 3 went away. 1, 2, 3. So how many were left? That's right, 3. 6 bears, subtract or minus 3 bears equals 3 bears. Well done. Okay, there are 8 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. If 6 bears leave the game, how many will there be? So there are 8 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. If 6 bears leave, how many will there be? One more time. There are 8 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. If 6 bears leave, how many will there be? So there were 8, and then 6 went away. How many would be left? What number sentence would you write for that? So there were 8 bears, but then 6 went away. How many would be left? Let's have a look. So have a look at what your number sentence looks like. Shall we find out what the answer is? So do you remember there were how many bears? 8. There were 8 bears to start off with. subtract 6 because 6 went away, which means that there were only 2 bears left. 8 subtract 6 equals 2. And we've got 8 subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 makes 2 left. Let's check it. Yes, that's right, there were 2 left. Okay, there are 5 bears. Just look and you will see. If 3 bears leave, how many will there be? So there are 5 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. So there are 5 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. If 3 bears leave, how many will there be? So there were 5, and then 3 go. They leave, are taken away. How many will be left? Have a go at writing a number sentence. So listen. What's the first thing you're going to write? There are 5 bears. I've given you a clue there. There are 5 bears. So write the number 5. And then what symbol do you want next? That's right, subtract or take away. So 5 subtract. How many went away? Yes, that's right. 3 went away. 3 are taken away. So 5 subtract 3. And we've got to remember equals. So there's the 2 lines. Equals. What do you think the answer is? Do you want to use your fingers to help you? 5 subtract 3 equals. What do you think the answer is? Let's find out. Here's our number sentence. 5 subtract 3 equals 2. Yes, that's right. So we've got 5 teddy bears, but then 3, 1, 2, 3 went away. We are left with only 2 bears. Well done. Okay, there are 10 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. If 5 bears leave, how many will there be? Again, you can use your fingers to help you if you want to. There are 10 bears. You can imagine that each one of your fingers is a bear. There are 10 bears. Just look and you will see. And 5 bears leave. How many will there be? So you've got 10 and then 5 go away. There are 5 taken away. How many are left? Okay, we'll see if you're right. What would your number sentence say for this? There are 10 bears in the game and 5 bears are taken away. Let's have a look. Here's our number sentence here. So you should have written 10 subtract 5 equals 5, because we had 10 bears to start off with and there were 5 taken away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means there are 5 left. So we started off with a really big number of teddies and then 5 of them were taken away, and taken away means the number gets smaller. So we did have 10, we had lots, and then 5 were taken away, which means we were only left with 5 bears. And there we go, there's the 5 bears on the tray. Okay, there are 10 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. If 7 bears leave, how many will there be? I'll say it one more time. There were 10 bears in the game and 7 bears leave. How many will there be? There are 10 bears and 7 leave. 7 are taken away. What would your number sentence look like? Yep, start with 10. 10, subtract, so draw the line across. 10, subtract 7, because 7 were taken away, and then equals. Let's find out. This is what your number sentence should look like. And yes, the answer is 3. Well done if you got that. So we started off with 10 bears and we subtract or take away 7 bears, which equals 3. We started off with 10 and we subtracted 7. So we do 7 jumps this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which means that there are 3 left. And we know, don't we, that 3 is a smaller number than 10. And again, when we take things away, the number of objects gets smaller because we have less, don't we? Okay, let's have a look at the next one. There are 9 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. If 9 bears leave the game, how many will there be? So there are 9 bears and then 9 bears leave. Have a look at those bears. There are 9 bears and then 9 leave. That's another way of saying take away, isn't it? Have a go at a number sentence. There are 9 bears. There's your clue. 9. Subtract. Yep. 9. Subtract. How many left? Can you remember? Yep, 9. 9 subtract 9 equals, again, use your fingers to help you, pop 9 fingers up. And then 9, they went away, they got taken away, didn't they? So fold those fingers down. How many are you left with? Let's find out and see how you got on with your answer. Did you get the answer 0? Yes, that's right. So we've got 9 subtract, or take away, minus 9 equals 0. 9 take away 9. So I'm going to do 9 jumps, 9, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means that we have got 0 left. Well done. Yep, there's nothing on the tray there. Shall we have a go at one more then? There are 4 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. If 0 bears leave the game, how many will there be? So there are 4 bears on the tray and none of them leave. How many would be left? And what would your number sentence look like? There are 4 bears on the tray and 0 leave. How many would be left? Let's check your answer. We've got 4, this is our number sentence. 4 subtract 0 equals 4. Because we had 4, but then we aren't taking any away, which means that we stay at 4. We don't do any jumps. We'll just sort of jump on the spot there. So, well done, children. You have done really well at those number sort of word problem number sentences. You can have a go at doing some more number sentences. Maybe your grown-ups can give you some number sentences, some some word problems, and you can write your own number sentences. And we will see you next week. Bye.